Hello everyone, welcome to ISER Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about a new recruitment opportunity which has been released for summer internships at IISER, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Pune. Now, it's a summer internship program for the year 2026. It was posted on 16th of January, but the applications have started from 2nd of February 2026 and last date will be 20th of February 2026. So still the time is left. You can apply over here and it's a wonderful opportunity. Go to the official website iiserpune.ac.in and you can check out the recruitment consideration and the eligibility criteria as well. So let's see. So eligibility requirements are students currently at the time of application studying either in second year, third year, fourth year of their BSc, BTech, BE or equivalent, or first year of MSc or MTech or equivalent. Minimum 60% marks overall grades should be there and selecting a project for application shall also be there. So there is a link which they have shared over here in which there is the list of the available projects in which you can or you want to be a part of. You can just check it out. It is in multiple domains, multiple areas, and there are good opportunities, good areas in which you can opt in. Just read it out on your own. If you have certain inclinations toward any topic which is coming out from this list, you can check it out, right? And last date for applying in any of these domains is 20th of February until 5 p.m. Let's say if I check out anyone, so you can just click over there and you can just apply at that particular area, in that area. So there is an application form which is given below that only. You have to just fill it out and submit that application, right? Now, apart from that, when we say that this is the list, faculty not listed in the above list of the available projects will not be offering any programs to you. Now, project duration will be 4 to 8 weeks during the period of May 15 till 21st of July. This is the period of project duration in which you have to appear, and the final schedule will be confirmed once the result of the selection process are announced. Other details have also been mentioned over here. You can just check it out on the official website as well. Or if there is any query, you can just go to email and address that at sspc@iiserpune.ac.in. The result of the selection process will be given to you until 31st of March 2026. So that is the last date, and you just have to go to the official consideration and check out the project and whatever is your inclination or whatever your subject is right now in engineering degree. And if you are looking out for current domains, if you are interested in, you can just apply it over here. Good opportunity. Apply now and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends if you think that this video is helpful for them. Like this video, comment down in the comment section if you have any doubt. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.